Hello and welcome everyone to my tech studio. In this video, you will learn how to find the number of blank cells in a given sheet and the number of blank cells in a column or row. You have to deal with sometimes thousands of entries in MS Excel. And if there are some blank cell, you want to know the number of blank cell. What you have to do, let's learn. Here you can see I have already entered different numbers or values in a column. And now I will find the number of blank cell. You can see some cell with no entry or data here. So for that, click in a cell where you want to find the number of blank cells. Type equal, then type count blank. As you will type count, the options will be shown to you. You can select from this drop-down menu or can type count blank. When you type count blank, then you have to type the range. For this, type the bracket, open, and then type the range. Our range starts from cell D1 to the last cell D24. So I will type D1 semicolon and the last cell is D24. This is my range. As I type D24, the range is selected. Close the bracket, press the enter. You can see the number of blank cell is 9. So here in this column, the total number of blank cell is 9. We can count them. That's cell number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 blank cells in this sheet. Thanks for watching this video lesson. Please share with your friends. Take care and goodbye.